How to turn on voice to text on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on voice to text feature on your iPhone. But before that, here is a quick demonstration of how it actually works. Simply open any application that requires the use of keyboard. Just underneath our keyboard at the bottom right corner, we can easily find the microphone icon. The feature detects your speech and automatically converts it into text. So to enable this feature, go on to the Settings app of the iPhone. Once you're in, scroll all the way down until you find the General section. Once you're in, navigate towards the Keyboard section and scroll all the way down to see Enable Dictation. Make sure you turn the toggle on for you to enable this feature on your Apple device. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.